All right. So when I came to Justin and Brenda, I had a site, but it was horrible. I was embarrassed by it. I knew that this was going to need an upgrade really soon for me to make any traction at all with the new business. I'd worked with them before on many projects. And one thing that just really stood out was they take the time to really understand, who are you trying to reach? Who are you trying to serve? Where are these people? What do they want? How can you communicate this through your site? Man, that makes a huge difference. So you don't end up with some cookie cutter site that looks just like, somebody just whipped out some crazy WordPress template for free and threw some information in. Instead, I have this thing that is absolutely gorgeous. It speaks well of my business. I'm so proud to send people there. It is absolutely stunning. It's exactly, custom to exactly what I needed. I have been working with Justin and Brenda in various capacities as a client, and sometimes they've been my client, and it has been like 13 years, I think, at this point. They are spot on, the people I would send any friend, any colleague to if they want to have a website that is actually going to perform for them, a marketing plan that's going to help them, ads that are actually going to reach their target, and this is just fantastic. They're easy to work with. They deliver what they say they're going to deliver. And it's a no-brainer. It's a silly question. You should totally hire Justin and Brenda.